Effective electrostatic discharge, ESD, control is critical to ensuring operational safety and product integrity. Y.H.F, China's leading ESD vinyl flooring manufacturer, produces free of carbon fibers ESD vinyl flooring sheets, featuring true full-body conductivity, a groundbreaking advancement in static control flooring. By adopting a uniformly dispersed metal oxide conductive system rather than discrete carbon black fillers, this new generation of no-carbon static control vinyl flooring sheets achieves truly continuous conductivity through its full thickness, ensuring immediate and complete electrostatic charge dissipation anywhere on the surface. It rigorously meets or exceeds major ESD flooring standards, ANSI/ESD S20.20, point-to-point resistance less than or equal to 1 × 10⁹ ohm, and IEC 61345-1 for volume resistivity, and limits walking body, triboelectric, voltage generation to well below 100 V, balancing rapid charge decay with human safety requirements, 10⁶ ohm, for optimal ESD control. In contrast, the carbon black-based anti-static vinyl flooring sheets rely on scattered conductive spots that can pass point electrode tests yet exhibit localized zones of high resistance, and triboelectric voltages exceeding safe thresholds, risking ESD events. The integrated metal oxide approach therefore represents a significant advancement in uniform, reliable static control performance. It is precisely because of these technical strengths that this no-carbon static control flooring has been adopted by top-tier technology enterprises, leading national research institutes, and aerospace, where ultra-clean environments and stringent ESD control are non-negotiable. Y.H.F's carbon-free static conductive vinyl flooring sheets 2100 series marks a new trend in ESD protection, offering consistent, reliable, and safe full-body conductivity throughout the entire floor structure.